Now I will show you how to use subtotal. As you can see here, we have description, category, supplier, division, and the amount. Mostly, if we will calculate the total amount based on the category, we are using SUMIF. And also, if we will calculate how many items by category, we are using also COUNTIF. But subtotal is very useful and easy to manage this issue. Now let's start. Just go to Data tab and Subtotal. Look here, Subtotal is disabled. Why? Because this format is on table format. Here, home, this one. This is table format. That's why here it's showing disabled. So we need to convert this table format to normal table. Okay, just select any cell inside this table, then go to design, then convert to range. Just click this one. Do you want to convert as normal range? Just click yes. Look, this is now the normal table or range. Again, we'll go to data and look, this is subtotal. Before we proceed with subtotal, so first just select this one and we need to sort it. Here, just click this one. So now it's sort by category. So we will calculate the total amount based on this category, and also we need to calculate how many items also by this category. So now we will use the subtotal. Again, just select any part of the cell, then go to subtotal, then click this one. Automatically this one will pop up. At each change in, so here item code, so we need to change this one. As what I told you, we need to calculate based on the category, so we need to change, instead of item code, we need to change by category. And here function, since we need to calculate the sum of this amount by category, so we need to choose sum function. Then this is amount, this is correct. You can change either inventory, or if you need to calculate the total inventory by accessories. So now we need to calculate the amount based on the category. Okay, just keep as is, then hit OK. So now we have a total amount by accessories. This one also, this is the total amount, and all of this one. Now we need to calculate also the how many items by category. So manually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will use the subtotal. Again, just click this one. Here we will keep as is because we will calculate the category, total items by category. So here use function, instead of sum, we will use count, because we will count the items by category. So here it's showing replace current subtotal. So since we need to keep this accessories total, so we need to uncheck this one. Instead of replace, we need to add the count by category. So we need to uncheck this one and hit OK. So now we have accessories 10 items with a total of 104 here also. So by category, as you can see here, this so-called outline here, so you can click this one. Number 1, look, this is the summary only. Grand 250 and grand total for amount is 3,250,000 items. So if we will click this number 2, it's showing also accessories total, then battery total amount, and if we will select also this 3, it's showing accessories how many items, accessories total, and if we will click this 4, it will come back to the original, which we calculate the total items and the total amount. So this is it. Imagine if you're dealing with 100 or 500 or 1000 items, so it's difficult for you to calculate one by one. So by this subtotal, so it's easy for you to manage your report. This is it. Thank you and God bless.